As I mentioned in the introduction, this video presents new guidelines and regulations for growing and shipping Florida citrus. Submitting a business plan is part of the Citrus Health Response Program Compliance Agreement. The business plan is an important tool that will help growers and caretakers decide how best to manage citrus pests and diseases. Preparing your business plan is not designed to be a lengthy or complicated process, and the department will assist in any way possible to help you complete these plans. Sample plans are also available on the department's website. Let's discuss three of these components: decontamination of personnel and equipment, self-surveys for canker and greening, general citrus disease management with emphasis on canker, greening, and insects associated with these diseases. As the form on your screen shows, the plan includes your company information, who in your business is responsible for pest management activities, and please remember that pesticide labels should be closely followed and that treatment should be timed to minimize impact on pollinators. Who is responsible for decontamination training and grove self-survey quality assurance and compliance enforcement. Also, please note that training documentation records should be maintained by the industry for a minimum of 3 years. This next form shows the detail for decontamination logistics, what the task is, such as personnel or equipment spraying, decontamination chemical mixing, testing, and distribution, when and where to perform the task, and if quality assurance is conducted. Next, we see the form for survey procedures that covers grove name, location, variety, acres, and planned method and frequency of inspection. An example might be, managers will train and supervise inspection in the groves. Survey is planned for a minimum of twice per year for canker, with employees walking and or riding ATVs, and 3 to 4 times per year for greening with employees on foot. Finally, disease management requirements will be described on the appropriate form, one for canker and one for greening. For example, for greening, your plan would read something like, plan to examine all grove trees 3 or 4 times per year from September through March, inspect all trees on foot. When symptoms resembling greening are found in an area not previously known to exist, tag tree and contact the local Citrus Health Response Program office to collect samples. Infected trees will be removed and disposed of according to state and IFAS recommendations. Research will be purchased from a state-certified nursery. The business plans are meant to be instructional and should give us all a general feel for the level of participation and the tools and techniques that the industry is using to combat citrus diseases.